On last week's episode of Onboard Lifestyle, Basics' hunt for a new dinghy is over. After cruising for the last few months without one,
we found one!
We find a perfect new-to-us dinghy at a fair price. The crew works together to find a home for our tired old dinghy.
Oh, it's sad.
Then preps Basic with a new lifting harness while the new chaps are being made. This much-needed addition will certainly give us much more freedom. But first, let's do some projects.
Waiting for a sign to show me my way in. The only point I reach is frustration. And then back again, then back again. Trying to see why I had to lie in. Go on the moon with your heart in. Then back again, then back again.
Our first project is a big one. At a glance, our bulkhead looks great.
Painting time. So we went over the fisheries and somehow someone has bought all of their white paint. So we are down to half a quart and fingers crossed that it'll be enough to do the first coat of paint.
But this paint is 8 years old and has succumbed to the extreme tropical heat. Over the past 6 months, our paint failed and severely spider cracked. This issue is isolated to the bulkhead only and hasn't occurred anywhere else on Basic. But before we get started, the bulkhead must be stripped of all the multiple components to give us a clear canvas to begin.
These are like shorties.
Well, I know, because they only go into that thing. Still have one more. You have one more.
I already did it.
Oh.
Ooh. It's long.
Thank you.
Oops. It's vibrating.
Put the pin right in the center. You hold the pin, I'll get these two. Put it, there's a hole right dead center. See it?
Mm-hmm.
How's your arm over there? Is it on?
Good.
Okay. Okay, it's when it pops, it's gonna go.
It's not quite centered, but
It's fine.
nice. That doesn't seem...
It's right. It's going. See it coming?
Yeah. Ah. Key just came out.
Okay, stop right there. Pull your wrench off. Okay, watch it. This thing's gonna fall off as soon as we... Okay, I got the wheel, and you got that.
Oh, it goes on the bottom too. Wait,
You hold the... you got to... Oh, no, you didn't turn the wheel, did you?
just a little bit there.
Turn it all the way back first. You know what that wheel's for.
The tension, isn't it?
And it adjusts how many revolutions to turn the wheel. Isn't it weird taking your boat apart?
Just the paint. Give her a little facelift. She needs a little polish.
Needs a little love. Perfect. It fits, huh?
Wipe everything down.
I will still put some plastic over that.
Yeah.
I don't want to get any paint on those. Already feels better just wiping things down.
I know.
Okay, this pod here is mostly useless. We do use our autopilot right here, and it's been rock solid. But the rest of this Navman equipment is 20 years old. Actually, Navman doesn't even exist anymore. So, I mean, it's time to upgrade some of this. You know, we've got our speed transducer, our wind instruments, this is our depth, and this is an old chart plotter. We haven't used them in years. We've gone with Raymarine, and our Raymarine Axiom has been just bulletproof. We love it. So it's time to upgrade these to some Raymarine equipment as well, and so they could all communicate and talk to each other. What we'll end up doing though is I'm probably going to keep this autopilot. It's been pretty good for us, so this will be our backup autopilot. We'll move the new autopilot to here, and this will be all the transducers for the wind, speed, and depth will go here, and this will just go away. I'll fill this in and use it for some other equipment in the future. But this will be exciting because we're due for some new electronics for sure.
Ooh.
Beautiful.
Feels good though.
Okay, to get all of this Navman equipment out, I don't have any access panels, and all the connectors are on the back side. Same with this Raymarine up here. The Raymarine is, all the fasteners are on the back side of this compartment. So we have to go inside, and I'll show you how I have those connected. In the galley, I put these panels. This is actually our, this is the information from our refrigerators. Tells us the freezer and the refrigeration temperatures. But these are just on quick disconnect. So I can access our Capilano. And right through here, I put an access hole to reach the back side. Right now I'm touching it. So I could get that first piece of electronics out. And once that's out, we use that hole to reach in to grab the rest. So my arms are bigger than yours, so I think you're on this one.
Okay. Pretty slick though.
Yeah, it works out pretty well.
Nice and clean.
And then this one up here, this panel right here, reaches the back side of the Raymarine chart plotter.
Does it? I think that's a fake out, Teal.
It is not. It goes right behind that. I'll show you in a second.
Oh, I feel it.
We have to find our Wi-Fi extender out here.
That one was hard.
It was hard, but we got it. Okay, 2 more. See, now it's easy. Oh, your arm fits in there?
Duh. Why wouldn't it? Woohoo!
Okay.
Okay.
Well,
now,
you could tell how long it's been since we painted. Look, it looks, the paint's in good condition below here. It's tarnished in color, but it's in great condition.
Yeah, well, that's what happens when it's hidden from the sun.
Okay, you almost ready? Your hand on it?
Yeah.
Trying to find the other two nuts. Here's one.
Nice having this little speakeasy, huh?
It is. Okay, I have this. Damn it. You heard that?
Mm-hmm.
That was the third nut. Okay, last nut is coming off right now. There's nothing holding it from here on out. You got it?
I got it. You're so funny.
Well, this is an expensive piece of equipment right there. If that thing, there's no plugins or anything on it.
It's okay.
I know it's okay. Okay, hold on. I'm going to grab the retainer bracket and I'll come out and help you. Hang on.
This isn't budging.
Oh, jeez. Careful.
I had my hand on it, don't worry. Gosh. Whoa.
I know. Okay. Easy.
Easy.
Now you have access to the horn too. With most everything removed, we decided to leave the two bulkhead windows and cockpit door in as long as possible and get started on the bulk of the prep work.
I'm taking a little break and Teal's going in for some quality control.
Hey,
Doing what you do best.
sanding.
Feeling for cracks and sanding.
Look at you, your potty mouth again. So everything's, look at, we've removed most of the electronics. We only left one thing, the autopilot right here. That one is a little tricky to take out. It's probably a 3-hour disassemble, so I left it in.
For now.
For now, yeah. And when we upgrade, we'll change it out. But for now, it's not worth it.
I don't know. I feel like after you get everything painted, you're gonna want to move it.
I know I will, but we'll move it when we get our new one. But for now, let's just go through. There's some big chips. We're gonna fill all that. All this spider cracking right here.
What spider cracking? That was crackle paint.
I know. That's what it looks like. That will fill in with the primer. We'll do a coat. Well, we're gonna sand it out first. Do a coat of primer. Sand it out. Do another coat. Sand it out and take a look. If we need another coat, we will. But we've done this before, like right here on this pedestal, and the pedestal turned out great. So we'll just follow that same procedure and see what happens. But right now, it's sand, sand, sand.
Aren't you glad I made us do this?
Actually, I am. I've been embarrassed of this. But you know, when you're moving down the coast or traveling or whatever, it's hard to stop for a little bit and get a project done. This is going to be a week-long project, and really, when have we had
We couldn't take our steering apart
No.
at anchor.
No, we'd never do that.
I mean, we could, but that's not the smartest thing to do.
So this is a good opportunity for us to get caught up on a couple little projects, and this is pretty high on the list, isn't it?
More lipstick on our pig.
Hey, on our Mona Lisa.
That's right. Oh, yeah, that's right, Compass. What do you think? He wants out, but he's terrorizing anybody that gets near our boat. He's not used to it. Yep. Hey. Feels mixing up some epoxy resin. Fairing compound.
Yeah, total fair.
We like this stuff.
It smells awful, but it works well.
That means it's good stuff.
That's right. Actually, it's not like potent. It's just like has that odd odor. But you know what?
It's called chemicals, Theo.
I love it though. It's goes down nice, goes down smooth, easy to sand, and it's pretty damn durable. Get this all mixed up. I'm not doing much fairing on here. Just some of the bigger cracks and a couple little screw holes that we're eliminating.
I feel like you used a lot right there.
Well, sorry.
Hey man, this is liquid gold.
It is.
Gold putty, so to speak. Gotta make sure we always have this on hand.
I'm surprised that it lasted through this last summer
I am
on the boat.
too.
I thought this would all be just gone, but it's did real well.
There you go. Chavez was hard on all of our stuff.
Hard on the boat, but look at this, nice and smooth. I honestly didn't know if this would have lasted, but it's good to know. Oh, jeez. Careful.
I had my hand on it, don't worry. Oh, this is...
Yeah, wrong way, wrong way.
Oops.